Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pluto TV app. So all you have to do, so you just click it on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click it on apps. Come to apps list and here you're looking for Pluto TV app or just click on search. Then here add Pluto TV, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you're looking here for Pluto TV. It's going to show for you like this. When you search for it, you will find here update. Click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.